Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Monday, March the 4th, 2019. Well, let's go ahead and take a look and see how these markets closed up. Now, if you look here, we have a little indicator that tells us how many of the stocks in our chart were up and how many were down. So you can see here we had one up and two down. The one that was up was the Qs. And as we take a look at those, we can see here we just closed right above where we closed Friday. So small gain. We did have that nice gap up this morning, but then we had that massive pullback. We pulled back for a good couple hours, and then we based a little, and then we started back up, and we recovered some of it. But and with the Qs just above where Friday closed, and you can see here we had a lot of volume. We had, if we look at our relative volume there, or if we look at our graph down here, we can see we had plenty of volume. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the spiders and see how they did today. And we can see we have a bearish engulfing candle set up. So if we trade below here tomorrow, that could be a sign that we'll have a couple of days of pullback. I think the key thing to note is that we did have that gap up. We pulled down here, and if you look here, we got close to that uprising 20, and we can see this consolidation level here. So we kind of bounced off of key support, and then we came back some. We did not come back enough to wipe out all the loss of the day, but we did get some back. So that was about as good of a sign for the bulls as we could get, I suppose. And let's see what tomorrow brings. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at the diamonds and see how they did. And we have that bearish engulfing candle again. You can see here we penetrated the 20 a little bit, bounced back up. So that's a good sign. We can see here it was a key resistance level as well. And once again we had that gap up and then that pullback, based a little bit, and then a little bit of recovery, but not enough to counter the losses that we incurred. So let's wait till tomorrow and see what happens. And of course, with this climate, we could get any type of political news, and we can be several hundred points one way or the other. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look at Holly and see how she did today. And you can see here we had 8 trades with the Holly Grail segment for a loss of 18 cents, but risk on we made $3.21, so that was pretty good. Let's see what came into that. We had EGAN, which was a long buyer stepping in. She made 50 cents on it. She actually got out for a profit save. You can see it was moving along real nice, and then it pulled back, so she went ahead and bailed on it. It did come down quite a bit, recovered some, so had you held till the end of the day, it would have been 42 cents. Let's see what the best risk on trade was. PTE, $1.64. So as we take a look at that one, if you can see on the daily here, it had pulled back. It kind of built a little bit of a base there, and then it kind of kicked off. Did very, very nice. Holly got out because of a timed exit, 21 cents. So she was just in here and got out there because it was a timed exit. But look what happened afterwards. It just took off flying. So $1.64, very, very nice trade by Holly Grail. Now let's go ahead and move on to Holly 2.0. Just 4 trades there, $1.41 profit, risk on just 46 cents. And her best trade was USNA, 99 cents. And you can see she got in that trade right here, and she got out right here. It was a profit save, and then from there it went on to bounce around a little bit, and if you held it till the end of the day, 65 cents, and you can see that was the best trade in both categories. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to Holly Neo. Let's go ahead and move these charts up, so if we need to get a look at those, we can see them a little bit better. We had 19 trades there for a loss of 38 cents. and the risk on was a profit of 312. So boy, the risk on did very, very good. And her best trade was PTE, which we looked at the other one. Got out because she hit the target here, and then it went on to $1.13 had you held it till the end of the day. And it looks like we had one actually better than that, ACA, and that was on support. You can see where she got into it. She got out for a profit save because it was just going sideways, and then the trade took off after Holly got out for $1.16 was the risk on for the day. Let's go ahead and bring our Excel spreadsheet in here and take a look and see what kind of numbers we have for the day. We had 31 total trades for a profit of 85 cents, and risk on profit $6.79. So very, very nice day from Holly on the risk on mode today. Thank you again for watching today, and now I'm going to take you to my blog. It's this bit.ly link right here, and if you click it, you're going to see it takes you to my blog, which is right here. And in here, as I am an affiliate with Trade Ideas, I've been trading now actually for only 3 years, and I got into trading, and as I saw what it could do, I just think that everybody should be doing some type of trading, whether it's investing, whether it's day trading, whether it's swing trading. There's just such an opportunity here, and I just want to share that and get more people involved. Of course, I believe in the Trade Ideas scanning software. It is tremendous to use. And we do offer several free things. The first thing is our trade of the week, okay? And, with the trade of the week, every Monday you will get that emailed to you. All you have to do is if you go into this blog, if you click this, it'll take you to the link. You put your email address in there, and you get a new trade idea every Monday in your inbox. It's intended as a swing trade. It's selected by professional long-time traders. You get entry, exit, and target prices, and we'll show you how we identified the trade of the week, why we believe it'll perform well based on the chart, the technical conditions that are in place for the stock at this time, and how you can find more trades like the trade of the week on your own. So sign up now. Another thing that we offer absolutely free is our trading room hosted by Barry Einerson, okay? And, if you just click this link right here, you can join. You do need to set up a username and a password, but it is totally free. Barry calls out his trades. He also goes over how some of the scans work and how you set them up and how you can adapt them to your way of trading. It is a very, very good room to be in, so give that a shot. Next thing we have that's totally free is this ebook that our guys put together, 5 Ways to Win in a Post-BTFD Market. And so, once again, if you just click here, you put in your email address, you download it, and, you can add trading the short side to your list of things you have in your arsenal. So it's good to do that. And then we have our free webinars, and you can watch our archives if you go to this link. We have a webinar every Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern, and we go over, a market analysis and, a lot of times how Holly did. Each day kind of has a different theme, so, but it's just more knowledge. It's more free stuff. You get ideas, and you learn. So, you need to be always learning. I don't care if you've been in this market for a day or for 50 years, there's always something else you can learn, a new trade, a setup, or what's working for other people. And lastly, if you see the many benefits and you like what you see, give us a try. We have our standard plan, our premium plan. You can try it by the month or by the year. And I even have here, if you use Bullseye 15, I can save you 15% off your first month or your first year. So I hope you take advantage of some of the free stuff, and maybe someday join us as a member of Trade Ideas as well. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.